Alright, we have a question here. 2025 WAEC question. WAEC number 11B. Number 11B. So let's get down to it. Let me read it. A bag contains 8 red balls and some white balls. Some white balls. We are not told the number of white balls. Are all of the same size. If the probability of drawing at random a white ball from the bag is half the probability of drawing a red ball, find the number of white balls in the bag. Now, let me make an analogy. Let's take something. If we have, let me use blue and green this time around. Let me just pick something outside this situation. If we have 3 blue balls and 7 green balls and they are identical, the probability of picking the total number of balls is going to be what? 7 plus 3. 7 plus that will be what? 10. Now, the probability of picking a blue ball is what? Probability of blue will be what? 3 over the total. Probability of picking a green will be what? 7. Total number of green over the total number of balls. This is probability. Now, in this case, we're giving 8 red balls. Using the same analogy, we have red 8, white. We don't know the number of white. Let's say X. Hence, the total number of balls. Total number of balls will be what? 8 plus X. This is the total number of balls. Now, probability of red is going to be what? Probability of red will be what? 8 over total number of balls. The probability of white, let our white be what? X. It's going to be X over what? 8 plus X. So this is what we know. Now, we continue. Are you with me? Then we continue. And they said something. They said, if the probability of drawing at random a white ball from the bag is half the probability of drawing a red. Now, probability of drawing a white. Probability of drawing a white. Right here. Probability of drawing a white. Probability of drawing a white is equals to half of probability of drawing a what? A red. This is the statement that we have. So now what's probability of drawing a white? What's probability of drawing a white? Alright, probability of white is what? X over what? 8 plus X. Then we have 1 over 2. Probability of what? Red is what? 8 over what? 8 plus X. And this is what we have. So if this cancel this, we are left with what? 1 integer down, 4 over what? 8 plus X equals to X over what? 8 plus X. Now we cross multiply. Alright, so cross multiply, we're going to have X into bracket 8 plus X equals 4 into bracket 8 plus X. Okay, now multiplying, opening this bracket, we'll have X times 8. We'll have what? 8X. X times X, we have what? X squared. Then, coming to this place, 4 times 8, we have a 32 equals what? 32. Then 4 times X is what? Plus 4X. So this is what we have. Since we have the quadratic term here, we take everybody this way. So we have what? X squared
plus 4X.
This 4X coming in becomes, we have what? Plus 8X first. Then this 4X coming in becomes what? Negative 4X. Then 32 coming in becomes negative 32 equals 0. So we have what?
X squared plus 4X.
8 minus 4 is what? 4. So we have what? Plus 4X negative 32 equals 0. Now, we have this 1. There's a coefficient. The coefficient of this quadratic term is 1. 1 times negative 32 is what? Negative 32. So what are we here looking for? Looking for 2 numbers that multiply to give us negative 32. And those 2 numbers add up to give us what? 4. If you add those 2 numbers, you still get what? Is 4. What are those 2 numbers? It's what? 8 and what? 4. But we are going to put our sign. We're going to put our sign in what? Negative 4. So it's going to be 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. 8 plus negative 4 is 4. So we have 8 here. So it's going to be x plus 8 and x negative 4 equals 0. To set each of them equal to 0, I see from the x will be equal to negative 8 and x will be equal to 4. X equals negative 8 and x equals 4. And the question, when they ask us to find, they ask us to find what? The number of white balls. So the number of white balls will be what? 4. If the number of white balls were 4, x is 4. Then the total number of balls will be 8 plus 4, which is what? 12. 8 plus 4 will be 12. The number of white balls is what? 4. If you wanted to prove it, you prove it. If you prove the value of x, if you set this 8, if you set it, if you feel like proving it, you could do it somewhere. If you say, they said that the probability of white is equals to half of the probability of red. I'm going to get that if we use x is 4. I'd like to prove that. Okay, having to prove this, we have x as 4. So we want to prove if the probability of white equals half of the probability of red. Where x is 4, if x were to be 4, 8 plus 4 will be 12. To be equals to half of 1 over 2 bracket. If x is 4 again, 8 plus 4 is 12. Now let's do this math. 2 here, if 2 here, 2 go here, 2. We have what? 4 here is what? 1. 4 here is what? 3. Then we have what? 2 here. So 2 here 1, 2 here what? 6. Yes. Alright, I made a mistake somewhere. Probability of red is supposed to be 8, not x. This is supposed to be 8. Sorry, this is supposed to be 8. So we should have an 1 over 2, 8 over x is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So if I cut this, I'll have 4. 4 over 12. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. So it's going to be 1 over 3. That means probability of white is equal to half of the probability of red, where x is 4. X over 8 plus x. Then 1 over 2 bracket 8 over 8 plus x. I mistakenly wrote x here for 8. That was why I have corrected it now. So that is just to prove that the probability of white is equal to half of the probability of red. You see, 1 over 3 equals 1 over 3. Thank you and God bless.